Welcome to Teacher Patrick Online. Today we're going to do P5 Mathematics, before and after change. Let me read you this question. Amanda and Belinda went traveling with a total sum of $663. Amanda spent twice as much as Belinda. The amount of money that Belinda had left was $28 more than what she had spent. Amanda had half as much money left as Belinda. Part A. How much did Amanda spend? How much money did Belinda have at first? Now, first of all, look at this question. Okay, this question, before they didn't tell us how much they have individually, but they gave us the total sum of $663. Neither did they tell us how much were they left with, but we do know that in the end, they had different amount of money. So we must also assume that they have different amount of money at first. Now, how do we get this started? Let's draw what we can draw first, okay? Let's start off with what we are left with. So they mentioned the amount of money that Belinda had left was $28 more than what she had spent. Okay, so, and then they tell you Amanda had half as much money left as Belinda. So in this aspect, this 1 unit is representing Amanda and 2 units representing Belinda. So let's get this started with Amanda and Belinda for what they are left with. Okay, so 1 unit left for Amanda and 2 units left for Belinda. Okay, so for left, I will choose to shade them so that later on when we talk about spending, we do not shade them so we can understand what they represent, okay? So I'll do a little legend. Shading means left. Unshaded means spent. Okay, so we're going to use this because otherwise later on you may get confused. Okay, now we go back to the sentence that talk about Belinda had left was $28 more than what she had spent. If Belinda had left is $28 more than what she had spent, then I'm going to draw Belinda spent, which is $28 lesser than what she had left. So this is $28 difference. And remember, unshaded means spending, okay? So this is Belinda spending, okay? Then we go back to the second sentence. The second sentence mentioned Amanda spent twice as much as Belinda. So it means that Amanda is spending 2 units while Belinda is spending 1 unit. Now, we got to look at this model here. Okay, I'm going to shade it for you so that you do not get confused. This model here, okay, this model here will be taken as 1 unit, okay? So this unit will be taken as 1 unit. So Amanda will be taken as, we have drawn 2 units for Amanda. So Amanda will be twice. So this is 1 unit. Let's draw another one right on top. So they say that Amanda spent twice as much as Belinda. Look at the blue units, okay? Indeed, Amanda spent twice the amount of Belinda. And the difference is $28 for each of them, right? So that all these are $28 difference compared to what Belinda had left. Then the last part is to add in another statement stating that the total sum is $663. First step, we should add in $28 for Amanda and $28 for Belinda so that the unit size will all be the same. What do I mean by that? Look at this. I'm going to use another color for that. I'm going to add in $28 here. I'm also going to add in $28 here. I'm also going to add in $28 here. You see, once I add in $28 for each of them, do you realize that actually now they all have equal size units? So the first step is to use 28, multiply that by 3. So we have 84. And then we're going to add 84 to your total sum of $663. So 663 plus 84. And we get 747. Now, let's count how many units are there altogether for this 747. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 equal units. So 9 equal units will give you 747. And let's find out 1 unit. 747 divided by 9. And after pressing the calculator, we'll get 83. Now let's take a look at what the question asks for. They say how much did Amanda spend. Now, if we're looking at how much Amanda spent, we got to look at the blue units. And we will look at the 4 units first. Okay, so Amanda had 4 units. So we find out the 4 units. So times 4. And we will get 332. Now, but 332 is not what Amanda has spent. Don't forget, we got to get rid of those $28 that we added in. They're not supposed to be there, right? Not. So 28 times 2, we get 56. And 332 minus 56, we will get 276. So part A, we found the answer, 276. Now let's find part B. How much money did Belinda have at first? Now to find how much Belinda had at first is actually very simple. Look at the blue and the red units. This is the total. Okay, so we got to find 4 units. So since we already found 4 units is 332, we just have to minus off this 28 that is not supposed to be there. So 332 minus 28. And we have 304. So part B. Belinda had $304 at first. Do you understand how to do this now?